Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your name on Instagram. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Just tap on it. And once done, go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it. And once done, as you can see here at the center of your screen, we have the edit profile button. Just tap on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, we will be able to change our name as well as our username. Okay. So going back, checking our profile, as you can see here, here's our name that is displayed on our profile. And here at the top left is our username. All right. If you want to change the name, go ahead and go to edit profile once more. Go to name, tap on the text box and just press delete. Okay. Once done, go ahead and type in your desired name. Okay. As you can see here, it says here you can only change your name twice within 14 days. Now I'm just going to type in, for example, made for money. Okay. Just like that, and hit on the check mark right here at the top right. Just tap on it. And once done, there will be a prompt. Are you sure you want to change your name to the new name? All right. If you're really sure, just go ahead and tap on change name right here. Tap on it. And once done, as you can see, our name has been changed. And when we check on our profile right here, as you can see, it's been changed as well. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.